to a very sunny morning in Rijnsburg. No grandmas, no daycare, just me and Indy. Gonna pick her up. First, look at this. Look at this. Wow. Hey. Hello. Deze slokje. Deze slokje. Oh, fuck! Indy. Gotta make a few last packages that will go out today. So today is a very slow day in terms of showing you something nice in my daily life. It's a lot of office work, there is a lot of packing, and little Thomas is here, so yeah, those hours I really want to use to catch up on orders. Try to show you something interesting every day. And someone suggested to me that I just show off a part of my personal collection. I'll just throw in one of these once in a time when there's this, you know, this blank spot in my day. Let's check it out. I don't know how I will do it. Maybe I'll just feature one display, maybe more. There's still a lot in boxes, but we'll just see. Let's start off with the cases I use to put in my collection. These are just very cheap IKEA details. Let's start off with my pride and joy. I think I can call this display. These are basically all minty fresh produced figures. One of the best and most awesome releases we did ever. It's the spaced out bunny. With Joe Ledbetter, from Joe Ledbetter, in collaboration with the Loyal Subjects. The red Archive Instant, one of our first figures we released in collaboration with Outland. The Death Head Mickey, mono edition from David Flores, and we followed that up with the Death Head Smirk, or I don't know if this is the red, but the Smirk from David Flores as well, also a mono edition. And of course the badass Bad Apple Black or Noir edition, only 50 pieces produced. Go to the second tray. In the back you can see the Fool's Paradise pieces, the Star Wars inspired. There's no hiding behind that. In the front we have the Outburst, Omen Outburst from course, and what's this little guy called? I can't remember this guy's name. I think it's from Nico Picto. That's what I know. And this one was produced for the Toy-Con in London a few years back. These were also in collaboration with Toy Chronicle and Collect and Display. On to the third layer. One of my favorite releases of this year, Corradars and T9G Sofubi figures. We have here Rangeron and Byron. We have here the Doc A Bella Delamere. If you want this, we have more than enough of these left. They're really cheap these days. Not a great success. In the back, another Joe Ledbetter co-op, the Poker Monkey. Pretty nice figure. Very, very interesting dimension. So there's like 2D and 3D mixed. In the front, we have our Breaking Bad inspired Mouse Mask Mickey. I'm a really big fan of Breaking Bad, and I just wanted to do something that reminded me to that finale. This is in collaboration with Rijnsburg, made by Monsters. And then in the back we have a bronze version. This was made for a agency in England, in London, Blue Sky Hospitality Group, and we were asked to help them out to produce this thing for them. So let's move down to our bottom layer. So here we have a few of the last production pieces. There's still some stuff in boxes, so forgive me if I'm forgetting some. So here on the left we have some of our Toy-Con exclusive releases we did with Restore from Japan. Really great company. Very small editions of the blue and the green one. There's 20 pieces made. The gold one I think is 30 pieces, and that one is just 12 pieces I think in total. The detailing on these is just really insane. Another one of our missteps, the Oik Tulu from can't remember his name. The idea is funny and it's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice figure with his little Dr. Martens, but yeah, just didn't appeal to any of the customers. Still available. Then in the back we have the badass Snow White edition by Kronk and Pobber Toys. Awesome figure. Just a lot of problems with the white. I can just, if you are interested in producing something, never produce a white toy. Never, ever, ever, ever. So let's talk about these two. So in the beginning days, we really loved the first release of Mighty Jaxx. That's how they got on our radar. They did a figure called the Hell Lotus, a skull figure, and it was awesome. I contacted Jackson and asked them because they also did a print of the helmet from the creator Clock 2, and I asked them to put on that head on the body and basically create a new figure called the Trooper Lotus. Very cool figures, just 20 made of these. I think only 15 or 14 made it through quality control. This one was only like 15 or 12 pieces made, so, and only 8 of them went through quality control. So really exclusive. Look, the details. It's probably one of the coolest figure we produced as well. So that was one display case of figures. Probably my most prized possessions, basically because those are a red line through the Minty Fresh history. Next time I will feature another display, so just, I don't know, I think it's nice. I will see how this goes in the edit, of course. There's still so much to do today, so, and I don't think I'm gonna be filming anymore. So see you tomorrow and have a great night. Bye.